What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got Javier here and I got a little injury, but that's not gonna stop us from making some more videos. Today we got a little install. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's a pretty badass install. What do you think, Javier?
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good one for sure.
So right now we're driving to the location and we'll meet you guys there. All right, so we just made it to the spot, and here's the box. Let's open. What's in the box?
That's nice packaging though. Uh-oh, get in there.
Oh shit, I can already see it. Dude, why did it look so massive?
They are massive.
Oh! Yo, look at these. These are sick.
Oh look, it comes with a little...
Yeah, that's the remote. So it comes with a little remote for the color. But look at these. Javier, show us. Real quick, just like that.
Just like that?
Yeah, just like that. Damn.
Wait, let's take this off. Got a full scent here. Don't get my face, get the light.
Those are clean here. Trade.
Ooh, I see them. I see those. Damn, those look clean though.
So now that we actually opened up the headlights and we looked at them, we're just going to start disconnecting these and all that bitty crap. We'll see you in a little bit. What is it?
For a fast install, use a drill.
Heard it here, boys. I feel bad that I'm not able to help Javier, but hey, bumpers off.
Do you have this break-in?
We got it off. Are you kidding me? This is the second one.
242, Brian. 242.
Alright, so me and Javier took a little break for a little bit to figure out some stuff because we couldn't get to the screw back there. Light is off. Take it off.
Show them what we had to take off to get to the screw.
Oh yeah. So we took off the wheel guard. That was like the only way we could get back there. So basically, a screw, and 2 screws down there, Javier?
Okay, so we tried to see if anybody was posting any videos showing how to take the lights off, and nobody did. So in case you're wondering, there's a screw out here. We'll show them in the other one. Hold on. Let me
Just take it outside. Take it outside.
Wherever you like. Alright, so we have a screw that goes to this, and then it goes to the side of the car. You don't have to take this one that goes to the side of the car, but you have to take this one off. Or you can do both, it doesn't really matter. Then down here, I'm gonna flip the headlights around. It has one here. As you see, these little clips, now they come off. I'm pretty sure we gotta put it on the other one. So that one and this one. But this is right in between. The only video we found was a guy with a 320i, so it's not really the same. And he doesn't have the intercoolers like the 435 has in front. So the bowl, if you look at this bracket, this is one screw. This hole you see right here is one screw, and this is the other one. This one's really easy to take off, but this one, look how far back, because the headlight is all the way to back here. So look how far back you have to go. So in order to get to this, we had to take the guard off, and then we got to that screw. So now on the other side, because I was trying to do it without taking that off, but now as you can see in here, this one's pretty much off except that one in the back.
Yeah,
but like, let me try to show you.
When you have the wheel guard, you kind of really
So
space.
one is here where my finger is, and the other one, remember that this is the back of the bracket, it's all the way in the front, all the way over there. So we're gonna have to take this off and then get to that one.
All right. We'll be back.
This thing is hot.
All right.
This thing is hot.
Me and Javier just did a
Let me
workout.
All right, so we've been fighting this for what, 20 minutes maybe?
Nah, more.
25 minutes?
30
minutes.
30.
All right. Yeah, it's big. It's pretty dark. But if you see this, again, we're gonna go to the other light. So let me show it in the light here, and in a good background so they can see it. If you see this little knot, it's square, right? Goes inside of this, and then this is bent this way, and this way. The other side did not have this little bend. I guess like this little tab was broken, so this was just spinning in there as we were trying to take it apart. But then not only when we try to get this with the needle nose, then the bowl, let me show you the bowl. So as you guys can see, this screw, like we totally, well, it was, I don't know if it was us, it was pretty bad before we got to it, but the T25 was just spinning in there. We found a random T27 that we could fit in there, and that's how we could take it off. But, and also this had like Loctite in it, so it was pretty hard. So what I was saying was, we were trying to lose this, and instead of that little clap holding this, everything was spinning, right? So Brian had to get it with a needle nose with his only hand, and then I had to like push so hard and like push so much pressure in this so we wouldn't break it again, and we got it off. So the final moment.
Oh, geez. Y'all make sure you go subscribe to Javier because he came through. I mean, we're one-handed and he still came through. So y'all make sure you subscribe to him. Link in the description.
Link in the description. Oh,
Hey.
finally.
So old guys, so as you can see, old ones, they're pretty good, obviously. There's nothing wrong with them, it's just we went a little
wild.
We went a little aggressive.
Yeah, I just want to say this thing.
These are fire. Oh,
blacked out,
no.
motored out,
I have it.
half an X.
Let's get going. We gotta see these on. Alright, just a quick explanation. We are transferring the modules. There's one here, and then these, I believe, gotta go on here. So just give us a few seconds, and we'll see you once the lights are on.
Alright, so Brian's gonna try to turn the ignition on. So you guys can see here, we have the wire just running, kind of like, just so we can test it. The light bulbs are not connected, but the LEDs should turn on. So Brian, just ignition, and on the side, turn them on. Okay. Nothing turn on, unless we had to have the other one plugged in too. Alright, so rolling, poster pulled up. We had to open this light and found the other two little wires that we were missing. And we just kind of plug everything back again temporary. And we're gonna see if the headlights kick on, because when we did it at first, that one didn't turn on at all. And then this one, it turned on, but it was really dim. So Brian, go for it. Okay, well, at least it turned on.
It
They're still dim, but
they're on.
they're on.
Okay, that's a plus.
Alright, so at least now they're both on, as you can see.
Alright, so I think we might be finished. Right now it is 12:28, so it's late as a mother. So I hope everything works. Let's just check it out real quick.
It's not late, it's early.
Yeah, we're early for today.
Yeah, we're early for the next day.
It's already the next day. And I have to go to work. I don't even know.
I have to see your work. I work today.
I forgot for a second, what was I supposed to record? I think you have to go in the code and turn off the...
Okay, so day 2, believe it or not, as you can see, I have a new cast. I went to the hospital today and they checked it out, give me a new cast. We got Javier. We are currently driving to my buddy Roland's house where the car is. I do want to say, basically, I know I was all over the place yesterday, which, I mean, how could you blame us? We finished around almost 4 o'clock in the morning. So, and you guys won't even believe it. We fixed it in the morning and it was the dumbest thing ever. So,
Almost 4 o'clock?
yeah.
At 4 o'clock.
Oh yeah, at 4 o'clock. But we fixed it and it was the dumbest thing ever. I'll definitely guide you guys so you guys know a little bit what we kind of messed up on and how to make sure that doesn't happen to you. So, really bro? Really bro? So yeah, Javier hasn't seen it. I already kind of saw it, obviously, because I was making sure that it worked properly. But we'll see when Javier sees it, what he thinks.
Kind of seen it.
So I'll see you guys when we get to the spot. Or when we get to Roland's house. Okay, so we just made it right now. Here's my car. It's right there. And the headlights, we still gotta work on some fitment because we did everything real quick last night just to get it out of the place where we were at.
Yeah, and it was raining today and yesterday.
Here it is. Like I said, we still gotta work on some fitment, but
I mean, it looks pretty
and
good.
it worked.
Alright, so Brian's gonna show me the headlights, so I guess this is gonna be my reaction. Alright, I'm ready. Oh shit! Yeah, that's way better. That's more like, okay, now you actually have headlights.
Yeah,
Like,
that's more like
the other
right?
one looked like, what the fuck? Did Brian got this out of eBay or something?
Don't show them, don't show them, don't show them.
Okay.
And here, I'm gonna let you do the honors. Wait, not yet. All right.
What do I click?
Now show them. Now show them.
Show them?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, you guys, here. Brian didn't want to show them, okay, but I can visit. I'm showing you guys. Alright?
Hey,
you guys
make sure you leave a like. It's some good stuff. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
First ever 435 with
BAYOPTIKS lights. But
you guys,
at least that I've seen. You know, at least that I've seen.
No. First ever, okay? So, you guys ready for this?
Ta-da! Look at these. Look at these.
The eyebrow is not working.
Yeah, you see? You see how they're working now? Yo, look at these, boys.
Dude, before we
Alright.
only had like a little dot.
Bro, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna have Javier do the honor. Comes with this little remote for each headlight. I'm gonna let Javier find out what that does. Ready?
Alright.
Go.
Oh! Ooh, you can have them independent.
Yes, dude, they're independent. Look at this, boys. Yeah. They're a little wet, so it's got some type of glare. But yeah. Yes, dude, at night.
And can you like turn the handles off and then just leave the red one or no?
I don't think so. But yes, boys, we did
Yeah,
that.
that's fucking badass.
Wait, now hold it.
Right, if I was you, just drive like this all the time.
Bro, I know.
And then the second they put you over, and you know
Just
it's because
change
of
it,
this,
boom.
just go like this, and then when he's gonna be like, oh, do you know you have
Wait,
red
wait.
headlights? Like, not me.
Show the subscribers. Hold on.
Alright.
Look at this. How you like that now? No, okay. I'm gonna go through all the modes. So,
Alright, Brian, now you just shut it off.
off. That's off.
Alright.
Parking light.
that thing is so bright. You will probably don't even need the beam.
Oh. Yeah, that's it.
It looks pretty good. I like that yellow on top, not gonna lie. Like I usually don't like the yellow on lights.
I know, but it does look
but
nice.
it does look good.
You can change it. You can change it to white, so it only does it on one.
Yeah. No, that's pretty cool.
They stay on?
Yeah.
They stay on, right? Sweet. Yo. That's sick. Okay, so to kind of explain where we went wrong yesterday, I'm having Javier take it off real quick because this is basically the important part of where we messed up. So, okay. Over here, yep, over here, you see that positive, and we had the negative here. Or basically the positive here, the negative where the positive is now. So yeah, that was incorrect, and we also didn't have it tightened, so that also didn't help. So what we did was we took the positive out of there and the negative off, and we put the positive here, tighten it, and we put the negative right here. Here. There's a little bar here, and yeah, we took the screw off. You can see it there. We took the screw off, and we
Pretty much you need a clean connection to the car.
Yes.
This here is the terminal for the battery. As you can see, this is where you will hook up. The battery is in the back like every BMW, right? But when you're gonna like jump it or power somebody up, you use this, and this is your negative, right? And that I was like, all right, I'll follow this, and then I followed it, and that's a positive, and here's negative. So I was like, all right, that'll work. But it didn't actually work, because now that I'm actually looking at it, this is plastic. It's not really metal, so that's why it was getting the power off of the connection, but it wasn't making a clean connection. So it wasn't getting full power.
Huh?
You got something to say, bro?
That's not negative.
There you go.
The black one? That's ground, right?
No, look.
What is it?
Look, follow the line a little further down. Right here.
What is it?
Red.
Oh, it's right there?
Yeah, that's the other
just a
thing.
jumper.
Yeah, it was red. Yeah.
That's just a jumper from there to there, and then from there to there. But we grounded it out. Where did we ground it again, Brian?
Remember on the little screw? On the bottom?
Oh yeah, the screw on the bottom. Or right here.
So basically, all the delay was literally because of that. So yeah, now everything's working perfectly. The headlights are great. I know I was a little frustrated and I didn't really record much, but it was just because like I was just trying to get it done. It was so late. We put it back together, but like I said, everything was pretty good. Yesterday, if there's anything we did right, was Roland wired this really good. I'll give it to him. So it goes connected to the headlight from here. Obviously, make sure you have your black with black, red with red. Don't mix those, or it'll go to shit. And he wired it all the way through here, put it through the under tray, I guess.
Yeah, just right underneath this plastic, and it follows right through here, all the way up and back into there.
And then from here, it goes through here. And then
Right into the headlight again. And then yeah, as you guys saw in there, we kind of zip tied the leftovers and shit, because you will have some leftover cables. All right, boys, so just to really quickly end the video, like I said, everything went great. The headlights are amazing. I freaking love them. And then thank you so much to the guys for helping me out, you know. But either way, they always help me out. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because you guys don't want to miss out on any content. As you can see, the build is coming along and you want to be a part of it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.